Huh?
I'm going to adopt a cat today. We finally got home. First, let's wash it cleanly. Now it's time for nail care. Some cat food and milk. Time for bed.
I've played Messi, Mbappe. But a cat? Time to show this furball who the real GOAT is. Whoa, did you see that move? Okay, that's impressive. He's even got the celebration moves. Somebody signed this cat already.
Come on, let's get you out of the rain. You're safe now. Let's see what you've got. Think you can beat me?
On a bright Easter morning in a tiny cottage nestled among flowers, he tiptoed to the table and began filling his Easter basket with colorful eggs. But as he walked through the village meadow, he saw a little bunny sitting all alone on a bench, looking very sad. Pumpkin's heart melted. He knew exactly what to do. He slowly walked over, offered the basket to the bunny, sharing his chocolates and flowers with a warm smile. The two new friends had an idea. What if they shared Easter joy with everyone in the village? They found a group of ducklings nearby and gave them chocolates and flowers. The ducklings chirped with delight. Under a tree, they spotted a sleepy hedgehog. Pumpkin gently placed a tulip beside him, and the hedgehog smiled in his sleep. To thank him, the bunny gave Pumpkin a painted egg, just for him. Pumpkin's eyes sparkled with joy.
Today we're giving away $100,000, 0 cents, to a cat, but only if he survives our most insane challenge course ever.
Meet our fearless competitors, but only one can win the prize. And yes, they're all adorable. First challenge, push this 10-time size yarn ball through a tunnel. Sounds easy? It's cat versus cat. Fur flying, tails twitching, only one will claim the fishy prize. Balance on floating pillows over water, they must resist the snacks and find the path to victory. Temptation is everywhere. Haunted tunnel, creepy meows, and surprise claws. Will our orange cat survive the fear? This is it, the Golden Ball Challenge. One shot, one dream, one fluffy legend. He did it! Our orange hero wins $100,000. This might be the richest cat on YouTube right now.